Build list from column names Pandas DataFrame. So I am operating on a rather large set of data. I am using Pandas DataFrame to handle this data and am stuck on an efficient way to parse the data into two formatted lists. Here is my DataFrame object. I am trying to parse each row and create two lists. List 1 should have the column name of all the true values. List 2 should have the column names of the false values. Example for stim 1. I know I can brute force this approach and iterate over the rows. Or I can transpose and convert to a dictionary and parse that way. I can also create sparse series objects and then create sets but then have to reference the column names separately. The only problem I am running into is that I am always getting quadratic O(n squared) runtime. Is there a more efficient way to do this as a built-in functionality from Pandas? Thanks for your help.
Is this what you want?
This may or may not be faster. I do not think a more succinct solution is possible. Fast, not row by row, operations can get this far. But at this point, because the rows might have variable length, the array structure must be broken and each row must be considered individually. The slowest step is probably the series constructor. I'm pretty sure there's no way around it though.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.